Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This soundbar is Sharp HT-SBW460 3.1 channel soundbar, 440 watts with Dolby Atmos, with subwoofer for TV, with wireless Bluetooth, surround sound, 4K pass-through. You can connect this to aux cable, HDMI, EAC and SEC, and USB playback. Tabletop experience visual 3D surround sound with Dolby Atmos technology, delivering rich multi-dimensional audio that puts you right in the center of action. Perfect for movie, game and music. Powerful 440 watts output with wireless subwoofer. You enjoy rich, deep cinematic bass and crystal clear sound, including wireless subwoofer, offering a hassle-less free, powerful audio experience without extra cable. Bluetooth for seamless streaming. Easily stream music from your smart device, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology for smooth and high-quality audio experience. 4K ready with HDMI, EAC/SEC connectivity. Simply you set up, enabling 4K pass-through and allowing you to control the soundbar with remote via HDMI SEC, reducing cluster and providing ease of use. Customizable sound with 6 equalizer presets and bass/treble adjustment tailored your audio experience with 6 preset equalizer mode, so you have movie, music, news, night, and independent bass and treble control for personalized sound optimization. Here we're going to unbox this soundbar, check it out and see what is inside. This is the accessories box. User documentation. This is the subwoofer. So this is the subwoofer. This is the soundbar here. Let's see what it looks like. The power cable goes in here. You reset the subwoofer by pressing this button. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. So the front is metal and the back is grayish in color. The ports are HDMI 2, HDMI 1, HDMI out, ARC, aux, USB, optical, and coaxial. Optical, you just need to remove this if you want to connect it using optical. Then close this. There's the plastic that cover it. The power cable goes here. I can also control the volume from these buttons on the side. So you have this button is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. This button is source or input. You use this button to select BT, HDMI, optical, coaxial, aux, etc. HDMI 1 and 2. This button is pause and play. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. So you can control the soundbar also from these buttons on the side if you haven't got the remote control. Dolby Atmos sharp 3.1 channel soundbar. This is HDMI cable included in the packaging. 2 power cables, remote control, screws, and you have 2 power cables and aux cable included, and wall mount. So the remote uses AAA battery. So this is wall mount. User's manual included. So the battery is in here. So got the battery in as well. So these 2 power cables, they are 2 pins. These ones are 3 pins. So these ones are 3 pin. So take the power cable, go at the back, connect it to this port, push it in, connect it to the socket. Take the other power cable, connect it to the subwoofer, push it in, then connect it to the socket. And they're showing us a white light. Open up the remote control, then take the battery, on the right side, negative is on the bottom, the positive is on the top. On the left side, negative is on the bottom, the positive is on the top. Then close the cover. Now switch the soundbar on. Sharp. Showing us sharp. Then select Bluetooth. Showing us BT. No BT. Now we need to look for available Bluetooth device. Go to your phone setting. Depending on gadget you want to use, go to your phone settings. Go to connections. Switch Bluetooth on. Then scroll down and look for Sharp HT-SBW460. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair. And it's connected. So with this remote, you switch the soundbar on and off on this button. This button is Bluetooth. This button is surround. This button is source or input. This button is menu. The center one is pause and play. The plus and minus. Plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. On the right side is for you to forward to the next track. This back is for you to go back to the previous track. You have bars, plus and minus. Plus is for you to increase the bars. Minus is for you to decrease the bars. You also have mute, equalizer, treble. Plus is for you to increase the treble, and minus is for you to decrease the treble. So these are the features available with this remote control. Now we want to test the audio using upbeat sound. Go to my playlist. This is surround. This is movie. Music. Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's very powerful. So you press the equalizer, it goes to customize. So you select movie, music, voice, sports, game, night. So these are the features you can select from the equalizer. You can see showing us pretty much 71 decibel, but the volume is 0.6 decibel on the soundbar. So the volume is quite massive. Thank you very much indeed.